Hey you guys. Okay, so I just want to make a quick video. Let me see. Okay, that's better. Just want to make a quick video. Like some people comparing strawberries or like dried strawberries with ta-da, Twislers. All right, so what they say to do is to take some strawberries, of course, wash them off, cut them in half, and then put them on like a tray or like a pan. I guess either aluminum foil or some kind of parchment paper. And then what you're gonna do is gonna put it in the oven for 3 hours on 210. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take the strawberries, wash them all in the sink. I'm not gonna cut all of them. Well, I'm not gonna cut all of them. So I'm just gonna wash some. I'm just gonna wash them all, and then I'll take a few out and cut them up. And since I can't cut with one hand, I'm gonna put this down, and I'll be right back. I'll put you down. Okay, so I just got finished taking some of these, washing them, then cutting them. So what I did was some of them I cut in half, and others I cut in fourths. Since they didn't give me exact amounts that I was supposed to do, I just tried both of these. And then what they say is to turn them upside to the side that you cut, and then put them in the oven. So I'm gonna put these in. I'll put them in them. Okay, so now that they're in there, I'm going to leave them, and we'll be back after that, since I'm not gonna have you guys wait for 3 hours, make a video for 3 hours just to see how it goes. So once they're done, I'll be back. Okay, so these are the results that I got. Focus in. I mean, I did it for the exact amount of time that they said. Oh, focus. Alright, so that's what I have. So what I'm going to do. Because I pretty much already know what these taste like. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take one of these and try it. Alright. Alright, you can taste the sweetness. It doesn't taste like a Twisler. Just kind of reminds me of other dried fruit. Like I tried the I tried dehydrated mango and apricots, so it kind of reminds me of that taste. But let's see. Okay. Classic red. Yeah. To me, it doesn't taste the same. Maybe I didn't cook it right. Or maybe it's supposed to be dehydrated, not in the oven. Or maybe the pieces just weren't as thick as they should have been. If anyone has any opinions to make it taste better, like these, leave a comment, let me know. Thanks. Okay, so I tried them again. I ate most of the ones I was gonna tell you, but the ones I cut in fours, those ones, even though they were smaller, they didn't taste like Twizzlers, but they did remind me of fruit roll-ups. So I don't know if it's because they were smaller, they had more of a sweeter taste to them. Alright, so that was the last one.